Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform 100 reset true settings on Honor 400 Power. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on System and Updates, then go to Reset and click on Reset Phone. Now click on Reset Phone again and you have to enter your lock screen code and click on Reset. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.